Alright, so now we're going to be doing the footwell on the driver's side. This cable, this is where it connects to. It actually looks like this. Let me reassemble it for you, just so I can show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how the unit is going to look like. It actually connects to this cable right here. Okay, and pretty much when the door is open, it'll actually trigger it. Okay, and it's usually plugged in like this. So it's held in pretty much by a little push clip, which is this one right here. Okay, so once you remove that, it'll pretty much just fall like this, and then you want to disconnect it. And it comes off just like that. You can see there's openings. So you want to make sure you line this up so this will spin. Line it up to where you can actually see those little black, I don't know if you can see that, black tabs in there. Once it's in this position where it's away from those, it'll just pop out like that. Okay. All right. So once you get that bulb out, pretty much you're gonna get your new T10s. Okay. Same thing about before. Make sure you get this line as perfect as you can. Try in the center. Okay. Which this one shouldn't give you much problems because it's pretty much like as soon as you pop it in, there's only one way to go in, so it should be centered. Okay. Test it first.
Damn, that's bright.
And there you go. Okay. And just don't forget to put back your cover. And at that point, you're gonna want to put it back in and put your clip in.
Move the footlight.
All right, now we're gonna go to the other side. All right, so you don't really have to take this all apart, okay? We're on the passenger side now. You can literally just take off just the actual cover and you should be able to pull out the bolt by itself, okay? The reason I took it off is because, one, as long as the door is open, this is gonna stay on. So what you wanna do is actually disconnect it from the back because it will get hot pretty quick. Okay. And the only way you're gonna disconnect is by actually removing this panel, which is held down by 3 push clips, which pretty much are like here on this bottom. Okay, there's be 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And pretty much you can take this out, makes it easier to work with. So you can either remove the whole unit and work with it outside, or just save the trouble. Align this. Remember how much space you took on the other side to get it, and just align it until you feel it kind of loose, and then you just pop it off. Simple as that. We used to pick, and all you're gonna do, just like that. Okay, so you can put that to the side. 10 that you have spare from installing on the driver's side. And simply install. Okay, make sure it seats all the way down, and at that point you're done. That's it. Make sure always test. Okay. I'll go activate the light.
Yep.
Your cap back, just like that, and put this hose back in place.
There you go. Now here's a before look at the driver's side. Here's an after look at the driver's side. Now before look on the passenger side, and an after look on the passenger side. Thank you for tuning in to the Lasfit YouTube channel. If If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment box below. For more content, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.